between you and that jet is their decision. They've held on for over a day. Will they finally let go? You guys have seconds left. Make a decision.
We will. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they honored it. They honored it. You just won this private jet.
Sorry, man.
You can take your hand off because it's yours. It's yours now. Congrats on the brand new jet. We're gonna give them each $20,000. You guys earned it.
This is my brand new jet. Let's go.
It is his jet. Hey, and if you guys aren't subscribed, do it right now.